Cutie. Hee hee hee. Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. Or welcome back if you have somehow found me again. I don't know if you can see because she's pretty low in the bed. I have my little pupper lover here. And she is the star of the video. Just want to let you guys know. So today I'm going to be filming a video that I've been wanting to film for quite a while. It is a Omocat haul, and I've always been obsessed with their designs because they're so cute and anime themed, and I am obsessed with them. But you know, I'm poor, but they had a Black Friday sale, and you know, I just swooped on in and got some really cute things. This is going to be a really tiny haul. Each sweatshirt is about $50 to $60, and I didn't want to like spend too much when I haven't bought anything. I don't really know anything about the quality, but I just thought they were so cute, so I got 3 things, and I'm going to show you them today. Actually, we are going to show you them today. You hate me. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. You're so cute and I love you though. She yawns. So this was the first item that I saw that I knew that I had to get. Oh my gosh. The first item is this really freaking adorable sweatshirt. And she's literally drooling over ice cream because it looks so friggin' good, and I do not blame her. This is real, but it makes me hungry looking at it, so I can relate. And like, I think it's just so like cutely designed. Like, if you can see her eyes, they have like cherries in them. Her eye, like her pupils are cherries, her tongue is a heart. It's in this mustard color, which I really like. I don't have anything that's this exact color. I do have some like orangey browns, yellowish, those family sort of stuff, but nothing like this sort of weird macaroni color, I guess. Sunflower, dandelion, I don't know, but it's really cute, and I'm gonna wear this all the time. Oh, look at my puppy. I don't know if you can see her, but she's so cute and fat. Don't leave me. Okay, needy. This is the first, and I love it. Whee! The next item I'm obsessed with. It is so freaking cute and pure and amazing, and I'm very happy that it is not mine. It is this beautiful freaking light baby blue sweatshirt. Why do I forget the word every time? And it has, I think they called him a demon boy, but he's clearly very pure, so I don't know how that works. And it's just so beautiful, like the way the design blends in with the background color is so pretty, and like he's such a little cutie. Like he has really big horns, which is nice. I love his anime boy hair. He has flowers in his hair too. He's glistening. But yeah, it's just so cute, and he looks like so sad. It's so like cute. I don't get it. Like me. Oh my god. Or like my dog, Morley. Morley is not a word. Oh my gosh. Are you tired? Have you been sleeping well? Poor baby. They're tied for first, okay? We do not discriminate. Excuse me. We do not discriminate. We love all of our children on this channel. I really like pastels. This is the only pastel hoodie that I bought. So I'm going to be wearing this every freaking day. Do you want to fight me? She farted. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. So, I wanted like a black emo one, but they didn't have any. Most of them are on out of stock. But I saw this one and I was just like, I really love the design, but I didn't know how much I would like this color. I don't know, I don't have literally anything green in my closet at all. Like, I don't own anything green. No, that's not true. I own something that's lime green. 2 lime green things. 3 lime green things. But they're all summer clothes. And, I don't know. I wasn't too sure of the color. I didn't know how much I would like it. But now that I have it, I think it's so beautiful. I wish I got this earlier in the fall because, like, this with, like I could just picture, like, this with just, like, a skirt on it would be so freaking cute. But now it's too cold for that, unfortunately. would be such a look. But, you know, it's too cold, but I'm still gonna try it. Like, I'm gonna go to Uniqlo and get some thermal leggings and just, like, make it work. Oh my gosh. But New Yorkers are so mean. Like, every time you see someone underdressed for the weather, like, people will really be like, yeah, I know you're cold. Like, so disrespectful. Bye. You wanna go down? You can go down. Bye, Puppy. I missed her already. It's very cute and oversized, and we stan. So now on to like the specifics. I got every hoodie in a medium, and they are very oversized. They're a unisex medium. I think they only carry unisex size, no men, no women, which I really, really like, meaning anybody can wear these. So if you see something you like, I'm pretty sure all of these are still on sale. I'll put the links to the specific items down below. But yeah, quality-wise, I'm not gonna hold you. I don't know, these kind of, like the outside, they're not very thick at all. But the inside is very like, I don't know what this material is called. But it's very soft. I'm sure they would keep you warm, but they're not super thick. The design of it is probably what makes it such a unique piece, and it's probably where most of the price is reflected from. So I can get that. I don't know. Yeah, I probably wouldn't have purchased all of these if they weren't having a sale, just because I am cheap. I can't tell you how they wash, if they shrink. I really, really hope they don't, because obviously I just got these in the mail yesterday. Well, that's not obvious if I didn't tell you before I said that. I can't tell you how they wash. I hope they don't fade. They're so friggin' cute that I'm not even mad about the price. Like, I spent, I think, with shipping, $140. They were having like 15% off. Of like 15% off if you got up to $115 or $150, I don't remember. But I ended up paying like $138 exactly. $138.50 exactly. Which isn't too bad for 3 like really nice hoodies. And I'm not trying to say like they're cheap quality. They're definitely like nice, better than most of the sweatshirts that I have, but they're not like super duper amazing quality. Like, I'd put them in the same category as like Urban Outfitters, if I'm being honest, in terms of, you know, feel. So far, like maybe after I wash them, they'll like soften up. Like, that's the only thing. Like, the outside feels like, you know when you put too much, when you don't put enough fabric softener in your load? That's kind of how it feels, but yeah. And yeah, I'm very happy with these things. I was so excited, I squealed when I opened them because they were everything I hoped and more. So that was my video. Sorry my dog is too rude to say goodbye, but you know, I have to live with it, so I guess that's only my burden. But yeah. So yeah, if you really like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you really, really like this video, give me a comment down below. And if you really, really, really like this video, please subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Bye-bye. Why am I waving a peace sign?